This case study is for an installation of Elastotech Magnefast ceramic wear panels in the Colliery transfer chute CW07 diverter. The transfer chute takes feed from the CW07 conveyor, so the coal can then be diverted onto two separate conveyors by a mechanical diverter flap. The diverter has just been replaced due to excessive wear, so the steel surface was flat and in good condition. The Elastotech Magnefast ceramic wear panels were chosen for this application as the use of studded wear panels would have been very difficult and time-consuming to install. The Elastotech Magnefast wear panels are a composite of rigid backing plate, rubber and ceramic tiles vulcanized together to provide a rubber tear bond. The backing plate has a series of threaded recesses that allow the mounting of high-strength magnets. The holding force exceeds 50 kilos per magnet. The wear panels were supplied as a numbered kit that was pre-cut to fit the diverter surface. Access to the diverter was from above and via a manhole. The installer was lowered down to the diverter in a harness. A piece of 25mm steel angle was welded along the bottom edge of the diverter to act as a stop and prevent the wear panels from sliding off the diverter under impact. Panels were lowered one at a time and were installed against the steel stop. A hammer was used to move the panels so there was no gap between each panel. One complete row of panels was installed across the bottom of the diverter. A second row of panels was then installed on top of the first row. A third row was then installed. This video shows the last two panels being put into place.
Watching me, so we're all good.
Space there.
He's all over it. Go. Go.
The completed installation of all the ceramic panels on the diverter is shown in these photos. Installation time for all panels, excluding setup, was 45 minutes. The original installation occurred in January 2020, and an inspection 12 months later found the Magnefast wear panels in good condition with little sign of wear or damage.